In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iMessage and FaceTime activation errors in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make sure those messages and video calls are up and running smoothly. To begin with, let's check your internet connection. This might seem obvious, but it is a crucial step. Ensure that your device is connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data, as both iMessage and FaceTime require internet access to activate. A stable internet connection is essential, and it's always a good idea to check if your Wi-Fi is functioning correctly or if your mobile data has a strong signal. Once that's sorted, let's move on to toggling iMessage and FaceTime. For iMessage, take your device and navigate to your settings. From there, go to apps and select messages. Once you're in the messages settings, you'll want to toggle iMessage off, wait for about 10 seconds and then toggle it back on. Now you'll do the same process for FaceTime. Head back to your main settings, locate apps and select FaceTime. Again, turn FaceTime off. Wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. By doing this, you're essentially giving these apps a quick refresh and prompting them to reconnect to the server. Next up, we need to ensure your date and time settings are correct. Incorrect settings can lead to various issues, including these activation errors. Go to your settings, scroll down to General, and then select Date and Time. Here, make sure the Set Automatically option is turned on. This setting will adjust the date and time according to your time zone and helps keep your device synced with Apple's servers. If you're still facing issues, updating your iOS might be the solution. New updates often include patches for bugs and issues. To check for updates, go to your settings, select General, and then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Updating your device ensures that it has the latest improvements and security fixes from Apple, which can solve a myriad of problems. Finally, if none of the above steps worked, you might have to reset your network settings. This action will reset all your network configurations, so ensure you have your Wi-Fi password handy, as you will need to re-enter it after the reset. To perform this reset, go to your settings again, navigate to General, and find Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This reset can oftentimes resolve persistent issues related to connectivity and activation. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve any activation errors with iMessage and FaceTime. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.